Hey there, Happy New Year! This is the first video for me in 2026 and I'm so excited to show you this beautiful kit from Beetles. It's the Tipex Lite and it has the medium almond shaped nail tips included in here. So give me a few moments while I open this box and I'll show you everything in it. As well, I'm going to be unboxing their HEMA free gel polishes, and as you can see here outside the box it says that the nails are made of acrylic, and this one is the medium almond shape. And on the back of the box you can find instructions on how to prep your nails and application steps, as well all the ingredients in this box. And this one over here is their new HEMA free gel polishes. For this you can purchase different color combinations. The ones I have today, they are really nice. I really like these colors. I can do so many designs. My mind is already going on how to create some cute designs with these new gel polishes. As you can see here, they have in the corner here the HEMA free stamp. And this kit is including 6 different colors of 15 ml each, which these ones are full-size bottles, which I'm happy about it. I don't really like to buy small tiny bottles. And on the back you can see the instructions. So let's move on to unboxing the Tipex Lite nail kit set. And the first thing I see here is a diagram or a drawing on the box showing how these nails are built. So they are stronger towards the front and thinner towards the cuticle area, and they do have that built-in apex in there. It's not as thick as the previous nails that they created, which is nice. And the first thing I grab over here are the instructions for the mini UV lamp. Yeah, there is a mini UV lamp included here. So next we have a nail tip cutter. And glad that I have this one brand new because mine was getting very dull already and all. So I'm gonna be replacing it with this one. It looks really nice. The next item is a nail clipper, just like a regular nail clipper, and everything here has the stamp Beetles on it, which is very cute. Next I have a top coat. Their top coats are nice. And next is base gel. Both the base gel and the top coat has like a medium consistency, not too thick or not too liquid, which is very nice and very easy to work with. Right here I have the gel tips glue. It comes in this tube and it has a very pointed end for the gel to come out. The gel is very thick and sticky, which is nicer to apply the nail tips because you will have time just to accommodate your nails in place the way you want it without rushing and having some liquid running before curing. And next I see a nail file, and it is a 180 grit nail file and washable. This is the cable for the nail lamp, and this is their mini UV lamp that they usually include in their kits. I know that because I have reviewed 2 of their kits before in my channel. This little lamp do have a sensor, so you don't have to push any buttons to start the light. And I use mainly this little lamp just to apply my nails. And once my nails are secure, I will cure my full hand for an extra 60 seconds under my bigger UV LED lamp. And next we have the nail tips. The nail tips are in the medium almond shape, and they do have the built-in apex. It's not as big as their previous nails, but you still can see it and feel it. So these nails have a beautiful shape. And if you have flat nails like I do, a little bit of apex will make a huge difference on the way your nails will look. So I'm feeling the nails here, and they do feel more flexible in the cuticle area and definitely stronger towards the free edge. And you can see you have many nail tips here just to create as much as you want. Today I'm gonna be creating some press-on nails because the actual gel nail glue is not HEMA free, so I'm just gonna be creating some press-ons and apply them with regular nail glue instead. But if you purchase this kit, you will have the option just to apply these nails like the Gel X system, for example, that you apply them with gel, cure them under the UV lamp, and then design your nails, painting however you like them, and directly from your hands. So next I'm moving on to the HEMA free gel polishes, and as you can see, these colors are very beautiful, and I love these bottles with the new design. I haven't seen this new design yet from Beetles, and I really love this style. Look at this, they print the Beetles on the side of the bottles, and I just love it in them. So I'm gonna remove them from the box and show you how this gel polish look one by one. I just finished creating some swatches, and I didn't have any issues curing this gel polish. Everything cured nice and properly. I always cure for 60 seconds minimum just to make sure. And as you can see, the swatches colors are matching the actual color outside the bottle, which is very nice. So you can just look at the bottle and choose the color you like with no worries. So next I'm gonna be prepping the nail stands to make my press-on nails. And I'm using this double-sided tape that I purchased on Shein. They are meant for the nail stands, and I always get a nice and clean removal when I detach the nails. I chose my sizes, and right now I'm gonna place the nails on the stands. Once I place all the nails on the stands, I'm going to be prepping the nail tips for the gel polish application. When creating press-on nails, you will have two options to prep the nail tips. You can use a buffer just to buff the shine from the nail tips, or you can use nail primer. The nail primer I use is from Model Ones, and I prefer that because in this way you will have less dust flying around, and it's quick and easy. I just go and rub it on to the nail tips and they are prepped. And in this way as well, you don't really have to apply base gel, that is optional. Today I decided to go for this beautiful red from the nice set that I just received, And I wanted to do something simple and cute for these cute almond-shaped nail tips. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 layers of this beautiful color and cure each layer for 60 seconds. I purchased this beautiful foil, it looks like a lace kind of design, and I wanted really to try it, and I thought it would look nice on top of the red gel polish. But because I don't really have foil gel and I was trying just with paste gel, it was a complete disaster, it didn't work out. And here I switch on the lamp, the little mini lamp, so you guys can see how it works with the sensor. And once I end up moving on from this, because it was a complete disaster, I went shopping to Amazon and buy a foil gel, and I will try this again in another video. But for today I just decided to go for a simple cute design that I've seen around the internet a lot, and it's very easy to make as well. Just with a dotting tool you can create some dots on top of the nails and they will look so cute. Just hang on with me for a few more minutes to see the final result for today. I apply the top coat and I cure it for 60 seconds, and then I apply the nails with regular nail glue, but you can apply them with the gel glue provided in this kit. And as you can see, the nails are really cute. I really enjoy this shape. They look good on my hands, and I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to check the links in the description down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.